Kardom Nilimonje Rong Pipi Pinibirta Arjuponikta
Rong Plimplam Biming Tiarong Amikar Omor Singh Teron Ahem Mechopidet Kisung ke phoa hema tumpen nangkache thando na tengki he maduda kavia phitsi mere hing pena joksi me chodetlo bangso me ke chwalong kana hok dona bangke tangka suri thongkep almira inverter scooter langa pamanta mecho etlo pusi chethan pon lasi local MSc Prodip Difusa lapen CEM Dr Tuliram Rong hangaphan tinge plang plang ni kerap kelong japhan choning ripon
miliputa dapen an chutun elo pameblablo parge inke lasi la karen bang nani lig det bon masih chudelo gas pen bang kali gas pen bang ke chuchida la tang bob der jong lo sabsuel la rong so arab tum teglong sin nang rap dun si sa ub ka bosai cholo lata de paling bang chi teglong de ni liputa kuni dipu pula kisar phan si ke chelang dam medical college am dam jui pon thonam dam jui main ke kuni le nge thega long de le ge hem sole puta somar phan ka ching thum dam ma nge thega long de le ke kuni lo tangka bin ching lo kadu bi long ge la min ge kuni lo nison thinai poisa ta 30000 ni dia dam jui lo pidung chupon de lo dun so itu phan chi ju ma pota tu chuek chot pen si chu bi ti tamle he ngela inverter ta hini chupon de lo na pen scooter ta chupon de lo poni poko kadu beta chupon de lo ngela lang mesin ta nonoko lang phuda lang kring ha kamat
Thereni Pioneer Cap Arni KNCA Songatum Dokmoka STCSI Hemalong International Women's Day Talon Pon Gender Equality Today for Suitable Tomorrow Puathe PNC Maya Longkache Thanpon Sorloatum La Anso se Jakong Chepharang Long Nang Jilapen Kaprek Sorkar Pen Sorloatum Aphan Avan Kapathik Ponateng Pen Sorloatum Aphan Piponangji Pusi Chethan Cheparepon Bangsolong Mephu KNCA Dokmoka Regional Committee Renoteron Pi Ahin Pensi Maicharipon Lapen Dunchun Bang KNCA Dokmoka Regional Committee Binatok BP Ahin Pensi Maike Phalam The Jaipon Labang Somaya Long Kajek Tok BP KNCA Central Committee Lapen Ong Dongke Theke Dingatum Chetong Dunsi Mayar Dipidun Dokmoka Ben Bisnu Terang Lapen Samelang Sopen Longbamon Ingti KARBI ANGLONG News
NCS song and pen kani kalbak kami representan international women's day talon number so nak taksi finish kami misem me et pen alira champion itu talon pon patur kono nasladak KARBI ANGLONG along abangke NCS song and pen masih KARBI so ching song and pen si international women's day nasladak talon pon ching lo dapat gimana bang ke asong kapre kami solo kapre kami son talon dolo kami itu asongahin pala so katalona bang moto bang ada hello solo to makachingpur KARBI timar to buthar to kachingpur pontu la pengke ya dak ni kami itu magke solo kami aso kachingpar pre don kachisong bang so alamlo pengke 1986 pen break ha kachisong do KARBI ANGLONG adam pelo noke West KARBI ANGLONG rasul si di kursi sokon bang alamat ki kai tambe gir bedenche farmat si di kursi sokon banglo dapen ke homantre solo so si equal status
International Women's Day Long Pacheton Dunsi Diphurong Sopia Long Tami KARBI ANGLONG Women Justice Forum Atumpen Tami Bangso International Women's Day Talon Pon Lapen West KARBI ANGLONG Hamren Along Tami Socheng Mohila Morcha Tumpen Patir Piponsi Bangso International Women's Day Talon Pon Hamren Pen Borsing Tiso KARBI ANGLONG News
Socheng Mohila Morcha Laken Party Walang Ave CI awareness program kasi Party Jipupera Party Nim Jipupetil se Anso se ke bang tujian ingkana bang claim contractor namji se
Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himonto Biswa Sarma Pen KARBI ANGLONG Aphan Super State Pukipu Aputhak KSA Atum Pen Pherang Kiamai Kangnipon Kedam Tang Ingdeng Plikebra Nerkep KARBI Risonim Sorong Aji Aki Jutsi Arni Mati Thereni Phaipo Arni Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himonto Biswa Sarma Nangchetong Dunlo Sitame ni phai trok arni CM Banglo along pherangke amai kangni pona hut Article 244A alam thekar judun pen CM Sharma pen lamboi ki pidun ke Karbi Anglong ke autonomous state kalilo super state lo puki isining oi meme alam lo pusi KSA dun me phu mondol ingti pen ningje pon kedam tang penang ananing kan pen hemprek apharman kache song ajong ili Karbia khe kivirnang lapen hemepo kache mannang lapen honghap hongru kache mannang Sitame CM Sharma lapuson kalili kalanglang alam kaningje thap aret ki ili Karbia khea phan kelang plot mate Karbia khea tum luwok pupena joksi hemprek alam thepen pachala irong asonlu lasi inut Assam CM lapuan kema thakang dailoma ili Karbia khe akar I ason pen I pachala irong lo lasi CM Sharma phan Karbi Anglong arlo puthot pawanglong liputa pherang ke amailong ningje pon
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma alangi bangpen Karbi Anglong ajo deployment hemprek nagahan labangso along alangi nantu media thengno nagani jidon ban autonomous state putha alam adan non ke autonomous state kali super state alam sigini la sigini to pachet hang khongjun bando publicity secretary in charge of alangi hin bensi details alam ni bahkan di nasional ini.
Nanti, sekarang ni kita nak sekarang ni kita CM Anglong
Press conference.
Press note approximately. We, the Karbi Student Association, vehemently condemn the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, for mocking the autonomous state issue by making sarcastic remarks on the autonomous state issue by calling out Karbi Anglong as super state, which have no provision in the Indian constitutions. Such comments from the Chief Minister is highly condemnable for insulting and hurting the aspirations and sentiments of the people of Karbi Anglong. And also, the Chief Minister of Assam must be aware that implementation of Article 244A or autonomous state is the long-standing demand and sacred aspiration of the people of Karbi Anglong. And hence, insulting and mocking the autonomous state issue will be not tolerated by the people of Karbi Anglong and also by the Karbi Student Association. And therefore, we, the Karbi Student Association, appeal the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, to take the issue of implementation of Article 244A or the issue of autonomous state in serious manner and implement it at the earliest and stop playing with the emotions of the people of Karbi Anglong, or else we, the Karbi Student Association, will boycott him as the Chief Minister of Assam and also stop him from coming into Karbi Anglong. So this is our main demand, or this is our main appeal that we would like to make to the Chief Minister of Assam and also to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rongham, that playing with the emotions of Karbi Anglong will not be tolerated by the Karbi Student Association. Because of this autonomous state issue, because of this implementation of Article 244A, many people of Karbi Anglong have sacrificed their life, sacrificed their properties, sacrificed their houses, sacrificed their families. Hence, playing with such emotions and mocking
Volongko maji along medicine plantation ang puthak chingki chingwai padopon. Volongko maji pharkong abi kangbura longkiram tokbi arong along dowai paplangji aphan National Institute of Home Heart Science Education Chairman Bidya Singh Bepen lamtheche thanpon alangli pen ke thanpona tengke Karbi Anglong along thengpi arong do lahaya thengpi ke dowai si ke planga thengpi lo. Kuru arong thilu siluka rui etso nim chinkona melira lahai ke dowai ke nang sotlo. Sitame lahai Karbi Anglong alongri Forest Department penta lana pa memesi phalang no laplo. Lapen non nelitum ahin pen thengpiarong ke eje phansi nelitum chisik ponbomlo. West Karbi Anglong anta nelitum bari thik damsi Edam ji la pen ke se chilang ji awar sai sitami ake joy pen chilang long ji nili tum pen ake joy pen si lang ji la pen ke nili tum non ke wang ji ja khonga chi klo pen ke nili tum office kim pon po la pen ingpu pon po la pen ke mithang pen si dowai selam pon ji aria keng ke so kaching lok singjam la pen penang an thetan ake so ke lang ja phan bor ipon po la pen ke nili tum pen choning ri lo forest department penta nang cherap dun ja phan choning ri lo Lapente KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council ke ja ke the ke dinga tumta nang cherap don vek ja phan choningri padopon Tarapung Pendor Singh Tongpi KARBI ANGLONG News